In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Gemini from collecting your personal data. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The digital world is evolving quickly, and with that, so are our privacy concerns. Google Gemini, much like other apps and services, uses personal data to enhance user experience. However, many of us prefer to keep our information private. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to limit the data collection by Google Gemini. First, to stop Google Gemini from collecting your personal data for model training, the essential steps you need to take involve turning off Gemini app's activity, disconnecting any linked extensions, and deleting your existing chat history. It may sound a bit overwhelming at first, but I assure you it's quite straightforward. To begin, make sure you're signed into your Gemini account. If you're using a mobile app or the web interface, navigate to the settings. Usually, you can find the settings by tapping or clicking on your profile icon, which is often located at the top corner of the screen. Within the settings, you will want to find the section labeled Settings and Help. Once you click there, you should see an option for Activity. This is where we need to manage your Gemini app's activity. Click on it, and at this point, you'll likely see an option that allows you to turn off this activity feature. You can either select Turn Off, or, if you want a more comprehensive approach, choose Turn Off and Delete Activity. This ensures that both the ongoing collection and the historical data stored will be addressed. Next, let's talk about your chat history. In the same Activity Management page, look for options that pertain to your past chat interactions. Here, you can clear your past history. It's important to note that you can choose to delete data based on specific date ranges, or even opt to completely wipe everything saved in your account. This gives you flexibility in managing your data according to your needs. Now, if you've connected any external apps or extensions that integrate with Google Gemini, it's time to disconnect them as well. Head back to your profile settings, and this time, look for a section labeled Apps or Extensions. This will show you all the linked applications. You can review and select which services you want to disconnect. This is crucial as it prevents Google Gemini from accessing files or messages from those additional apps, like Google Docs, WhatsApp, or your Gmail. In that section, you will find toggles for personal services like Google Workspace. Make sure to toggle these off if you want to limit Gemini's interactions with your files and messages. Once you've made the necessary changes, don't forget to save any adjustments if prompted to ensure your preferences are applied. Finally, a reminder that taking these steps is instrumental in regaining control over your personal data. Each measure you implement not only enhances your privacy, but also allows you to use Google Gemini with greater peace of mind. Your information belongs to you, and understanding these settings can empower you to use technology on your terms. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. If you discovered new tips or a clearer understanding of managing your personal data in Google Gemini, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. See you next time.